Next in my series of extreme carpet edge cleaning tests using flour, I have my lowest CFM vacuum power nozzle, 33 CFM. And it's got brand new brush strips, and it's got like the integrated beater edges in there. So this thing's in really good shape. Let's put some flour down, see what happens. Incidentally, to reset the carpet, my vacuum of choice to vacuum the top and the bottom of the carpet is my newly redone front and rear bearings Riccar 8850. It's wonderful to hear that thing just cruising right along again, not making any kind of weird screechy noises. Alright, let's go and put some underneath. There we go. Got the nozzle edge hanging over a bit, about an inch or so. Let's see what happens. Alright, so what I've noticed is right in here there's kind of a white spot where it's just kind of mushed a lot of flour around. It picked up some, not a whole lot, from the concrete, and underneath what it did was, very interesting thing, it kind of moved it around a bit, and if you look at the pile, what it did was it smashed it and just kind of clogged the pores that are underneath here. That's why it's got a white sheen to it. So certainly can't, because of low airflow, clean through a medium pile flow through carpet. So I wasn't really expecting a whole lot. It's fun to use, but it doesn't really deep clean fine particles a whole lot. So stay tuned for more extreme edge cleaning. Bye-bye.